Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits a block up, I tell you if it was us.
What's up, core crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Janine and I'm back with another video. In today's video I will be reviewing the Ethereal Bloom palette by artist Couture. When this was released I thought it just looked so beautiful. The color story just screamed spring, so we will be testing it out today. I'm going to be going for like a purple look. This is the palette. I think I'm going to pair this just because there's not a lot of transition shades. I am going to create a pastel purple look featuring mostly these shades, but I will have to use a complementary palette, which will be the Huda Beauty Amethyst palette right here. So if you would like to see my thoughts and first impressions to this palette, then definitely keep watching.
Don't play with us, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Back in a better. Baby, it's whatever. Getting the right, left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Gotta be sicker than style. Pull up skirt, skirt. Pull up skirt. Setting kids on playing games, and it's love and ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would like it the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Pull up skirt. Skirt. Giving you a word, baby, when you get space, big gang, give me leg, baby, that's still a trade off, baby. Don't play with us, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Back in a better.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits a block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my
Okay, you guys, so now that you saw how I achieved this look, it didn't take much, but I did need a complimentary palette to kind of complete this, just because these are all pretty much lid shades for me. Like, none of them are transition shades or deep enough for my complexion. This palette comes with 8 shades. I didn't use that many colors just because this is very much so a complimentary palette. It's not something that you could use by itself, at least for my complexion and for folks who are darker than me, just because it doesn't have that many transition colors for us melanated girls. But this is a very pretty like lid palette. I used the purple and I did use a bit of Eternity today for my inner corner. The shadows really did blend out nice, and I will show you guys swatches of all 8 shades. I think that this isn't a must-have, but I do really like the palette. I think the shadows blended out really well. I love the color story, like it just screams spring. I didn't have that many like pastel colors either in my collection, so I felt like this was a great addition to my makeup collection. If you feel the same, I definitely feel like you should pick it up, but it is in no way a must-have. Brown skin girls, we cannot use this by itself. If you do have other palettes to complement, like something that has more pinks, like deeper pinks or deeper purples, deeper blues, more browns, then this is a great like secondary palette. So if you're looking for like an everyday palette, this is definitely not it. But this was my first time purchasing from Artist Couture and I was not disappointed. I think I'll get a lot of use out of this, especially for these warmer months. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and join the Core Crew family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm